Disney Junior presents a Muppet Babies Magical Moment. Piggy can't wait for her birthday, so she takes control of Gonzo's time machine to make her special day come sooner.
I'm beginning to think this isn't my birthday!
It's definitely not your birthday! Quick, into the time machine, everyone! I gotta get us back home!
Home to my birthday!
Piggy, wait!
I can't wait, Kermit! Ooh, shiny decorations! Are these for my birthday?
I don't know. Let's ask Miss Nanny.
Hello, I am Miss Nanny 2.0.
Maybe we went a little too far into the future.
My hard drive tells me today is not your birthday.
Well, race you back to the time machine!
Don't leave without us!
It's time to leave, everybody! We've been to the past, we've been to the future, and now we're going to my birthday no matter what!
I'll just need your John Hancock right here.
No!
Look, Ma! We're flying! Who are they?
Beats me!
Birthday now!
Can you just be patient for 1 second?
Okay, but just one more button.
We're back!
But guys, we didn't make it to Piggy's birthday.
That's okay. It'll be here before we know it.
Who wants cake? Happy birthday, Piggy.
This was a birthday worth waiting for.
Piggy was desperate for her birthday to arrive, but after some crazy time travel, she learned that good things come to those who wait. Keep watching for another magical moment, and you can watch Muppet Babies on Disney Junior.
Tap your screen for more videos and tune into Disney Junior to watch your favourite shows.